Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the blessing of God. Student, today we'll discuss subtraction of the binary system and second multiplication. Student, when we subtract in binary system, you consider 2 as 10 or 10 as 2 in base 2. For example, in this question you have 101 minus 11 base 2. How you will subtract them? Right here 101 base 2 minus 11 base 2. You will subtract from 1's place. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. 0 minus 1, because 0 is smaller than 1, so its subtraction is not possible. For subtraction, you carry 1 from other column. So when you will carry 1 from third column to second column, that will be equal to 10. In binary system, this 10 considered as 2. This 10 considered as 2. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. I explain here. So you see here 101 base 2 minus 11 base 2. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So when you will carry 1 from here, that is equal to 10. How 10 in binary system you will consider as 2? Because when you divide 2 on base 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0. 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0. So your answer is 10. 10 means 10. It means 10 is equal to 2. In binary system, 10 is equal to its base 2. Clear? So you will write here 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So your answer is 10 base 2. Similarly, you also read this note. Similarly, in second example, you have 1101 base 2 and 10011 base 2. So you subtract 1101 from this term. You will write first 10011 minus 1101 of both having base 2. Now you subtract from 1's place 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. Here 0 minus 1, that is not possible. So you will carry 1 from here. When you will carry 1 from here, it will make 10. 10 means 2. But you need 1 in third column. So when you will carry 1 from third column, which is equal to 2, from fourth column, then here in fourth column remaining number is 1, and here the new number become 2. 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Here you have 1. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0, and here remaining number is 0 because you already carry this last one. So here you also write 0. So your answer is 110 base 2. Similarly, we discuss multiplication of binary system. In multiplication of binary system, students, you try to understand this table. In binary system, you have maximum 2 digits, 0 and 1. Because in binary system base is 2, so your maximum digit is 1. You write horizontally 0, 1 and vertically 0, 1. Now you multiply this column with row, with first row. First entry of first column is 0. When 0 multiplied by 0, that is equal to 0. And when you will multiply this 0 with 1, 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. After that, you will multiply 1 with first row, 1 multiplied by 0 that is equal to 0, and 1 multiplied by 1 that is equal to 1. That is your multiplication. You see here a question of multiplication. That's very simple question. 1 base 2 multiplied by 10 base 2. So you start your multiplication from ones place. When you will multiply 0 with 1, that is equal to 0, 0 with 1, that is equal to 0 or base 2. After that you will multiply with 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So you will write here 1. Because first entry of second row, you always put here 0 or cross. You start from second entry, it means from tens place. So 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1 of base 2. After that you will add them. 0 plus 0 that is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 base 2. That is your process of multiplication. Today, student, your home task is you solve question of subtraction like third part, fourth part, eighth part, 12th part. After that, you will multiply some parts, for example, fifth part. After that you will multiply no other part. That's your home assignment, student. Inshallah we meet tomorrow with new lecture. Tomorrow you give me a test of exercise 1.1. Tomorrow you will prepare a test of exercise 1.1. That is your home diary. Thank you.